Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with hair that's clean and completely dry so strands will lock. Remove heavy oils because they delay formation. Once done, you choose a natural parting and mark sections 1/2 to 1 inch wide, focusing where density feels even. Use a rat tail comb to split and small elastic bands to secure the roots. This gives immediate tension and a reference for shaping. Make sure to leave slightly irregular sizes. Freeform thrives on variation. Then move directly to back sections first for even weight distribution. You now encourage tangles by palm rolling each section firmly from root toward tip, applying alternating clockwise and counterclockwise pressure to create irregular locking patterns. Once done, target the middle lengths with gentle backcombing where necessary to initiate mats, but avoid shredding the tip. Make sure to work gradually from the scalp down so the knotting progresses evenly without creating thin roots. If a stubborn tangle needs help, use a small crochet needle sparingly. Otherwise, let friction and time do the work for fuller. You finish by allowing the dreads to mature naturally over months, washing every 1 to 2 weeks with a residue-free shampoo to prevent buildup that stalls locking. Once done, check for loose roots. Secure them with light palm rolling or temporary rubber bands for short periods, then release to avoid stress. Make sure to trim persistent stray hairs or use a small crochet hook only when necessary. If knots feel uneven, be patient. Time evens density. If infection or severe discomfort appears, consult a professional immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.